Hello everyone. If you're trying to install Epson printer drivers and if you're unable to install or download the drivers of Epson, this tutorial is for you. No matter which Epson printer you are using, you will be able to download and install the printer driver, whether it's a USB driver, a wireless printer, or a USB printer. So let's go ahead and do that. Please make sure that your printer is connected. If it's a USB printer, it should be connected to your computer, and if it's a wireless computer, it should be connected to your router. So once you're sure that your your printer is connected, then I will mention a website in my description, epson.com/support/printers, and here you just need to type your printer model. So for example, I'll just type 210 and I see VS210 printer. So I'll just click on that. Now the moment you do that, you will see a window like this where your printer will show up. So I'm just giving you an example how you can download the driver. And you just need to scroll down, and here you need to select the operating system. So if you're using Windows 10, you can select that, and it will also auto detect your operating system. That is the best part. Even if you're using Windows, there is an option to use and select Windows 11. So you can click on Go, USB Display Installer V1.80. So you just need to click on Download, and a very small file will be downloaded, and I'll just open it. And it will ask you to say yes. And here we have this Epson installer. This file contains USB display installer. Click on OK to continue. So you can see I have Epson USB display setup wizard. I'll just click on next, and I'll click on agree, and Epson USB display starting. So very soon we will have the installer in front of us. Now setup has finished installing Epson USB display on your computer, and then you just need to click on this search icon and go to printer and just type printer, and you will find printers and scanners, and from here see which is your printer and try to print the test page on your computer. Let me know in the comment section if you have successfully installed the printer driver, especially for Epson. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.